So actually you would be thinking that why this is a small accuracy, but these are the experiments when we begin to explore. Initially we applied the deep learning model on compared to the proposed state with the existing state of the art, what you can see here. So here what we are seeing that the in ResNet, it is 80% detection. It is comparison with our existing one. So here we concluded conclusion in future work best paper presented MMA radar based object detection classification utilizes a 3D point cloud data to classify object comprehensively demonstrated a hardware implementation of the proposed system by using the Texas Instruments radar module. Results showed that the convolutional neural network model achieves an accuracy of ResNet 80%. This will help for better traffic monitoring. See, because it matters. Because, for example, some vehicle is there, then you have to slow down. Even some woman is there, comes there, then you have to stop the car. Current work classifies three different cars. In future research, we will standardize evaluation by testing all methods on the same data set to facilitate equitable comparison and examine the influence of dataset characteristic on the performance. What we are saying here that we will also take into account the you say object diversity and environmental condition clearly see so that they can be stated and in this way. So coming to the part, another part, see road boundary detection. In the road boundary detection, as we are told it that initially when we tried to find out its accuracy was low, but when we exclusively dealt with the experiment on the road boundary detection, it involves identifying the edges or limits of a drivable area to assist vehicles in lane keeping, path planning, and safe navigation. It is crucial for autonomous driving and advanced driver assistance systems, especially on unmarked roads or in complex environments. Commonly used sensors include cameras, LiDAR, and MM-wave radar. MM-wave radar preferred as already told in poor visibility conditions. Detection techniques include traditional image processing, machine machine learning, and deep learning. Road boundaries are continuous like curves or gurtes or discontinuous like the broken land markings. There also it becomes a very difficult to detect the road boundary. The road boundaries, why are they required? They are required, they are required in the sense that there your vehicle has to follow. Vehicle has to follow within that lane. If it is outside or if it is not visible, see then then how will you basically maintain the vehicle in a one lane? That is one of the reasons that road boundary becomes a crucial issue. So this is all for this session. What I'm thinking that we can take up the remaining part in the later session so that we can conclude it. We have still half an hour. So if you have a question, then we can take it. Otherwise, what I'm thinking that we will, because other things are correlated. So when we will take up in the next session, we will able to wind it up properly. So any question, whatever regarding the workshop, regarding this lecture, even today in afternoon, I will conclude it. Day after tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow as well as day after tomorrow, all the speakers will be different. I hope see the participants who are present here, they would not be finding any difficulty in giving the quiz. So if you, Shrija, are you able to get the material on Canva? We concluded for today so that we can take up the things quickly. These things are more correlated. The second session. Good. Thank you all for this session. Regarding material, you would have access to the every, I have some PPTs. See, I will also, we will provide you because from the some speakers, I just got it today. They will not be the part of the quiz. So as soon as I will, so from the Pachori sir, I obtained it today and we will try to share it today only.